Welcome, folks. We're on a Saturday here. We've got a forecast for you coming up. I won't keep you too long here for your Saturday. Not a lot going on here locally, although we are looking for increasing rain chances the next couple of days, Sunday, Monday. So if you need rain, and many people do, I know I still do, the chances are getting better. Right now, we're seeing a mostly sunny sky, just a few small paltry cumulus clouds. That won't produce rain out there. That is from RRMC, by the way. We thank those folks for that, Cam. Over in Gina, likewise, you see those small cumulus clouds, but mostly clear in that direction as well. Atmosphere is still not primed for rain, but if you look down in the Gulf of Mexico, you kind of see a little bit of a gentle rotation here. You can see kind of that clock counterclockwise. There's a little surface low about right in this particular area, well south of Lafayette and Pecan Island, some of those areas across the central South Louisiana coast there. That moisture wrapping around the east side of it, all right? And that is on schedule here for tomorrow. A little larger look here, but we can see that system. You can see the rotation. There's some pretty deep convection right there on the southeast side of that. But you can see it's kind of still creeping slowly toward the northwest with the wind kind of driving that moisture in. That is where we're getting our rain chances on, and we'll kind of get a double benefit. Yeah, we'll get some rain, or many folks will get some rain from this deal, but we won't have to take a tropical system to get it. Okay, so let's go into the future cast over the next couple of days. Your Saturday evening, no issues for your entertainment. Once we get into Sunday morning, I think Sunday morning is okay, but rain chances will increase fairly quickly during the PM hours. I think this model is undone with the underdone with the rain chances, coverage. I'm going to go higher than what this model is indicating there for Sunday. And once we get into Monday, I think rain is likely Monday. So that's what we've got going on, folks. So let's put some numbers to Sunday's rainfall pattern for you. It's going to be one of those situations where the lesser coverage, Sabine, Natchitoches, and Wind Parish is about a 1 in 3 shot of getting wet. You head south and east, chances increase likely across Allen, Evangeline, St. Landry Parish, and Avoyelles Parish. Down to that way, elsewhere, got a 50-50 on that. Grant and Vernon, maybe 40%. But many times I don't pay extreme attention to these numbers. It just gives you an idea of the flavor of the pattern. So again, you folks up with the 30%, that's where we're expecting the lower rainfall amounts and coverage. Further south and east, higher rainfall coverage and higher amounts. Speaking of amounts, I think most people get less than an inch out of that for tomorrow if you get the rain. Peak amounts between 1 and 2 inches could happen maybe in 10% of the cases. Tropical interest areas otherwise, here's that little surface low area of low pressure, very weak, moving toward the northwest into toward the Texas coast there. But we're going to be on the moist side of that tomorrow and Monday. So that's where those rain chances are coming from that you'll see in a 7-day in just a bit. 60% chance of development out across this part of the world, but it is early in the forecast game, but the model data that I'm looking at so far indicates this may be one of those that stays in the alley east of the East Coast United States or in the Bermuda area, and some of that instead of driving into the Gulf of Mexico. So that looks like the early guess on that particular system, but there could certainly be a tropical depression sometime next week form from this. So we'll keep you informed on it. All right, your 7-day numbers for us: 50% tomorrow area wide. I did that parish by parish earlier. 60% on Monday. There will be a few thunderstorms mixing into this rain shower deal. 70 low, 69 for Tuesday and Wednesday means there's going to be plenty of humidity with this deal coming in. Remember, it's coming from the Gulf of Mexico. We'll keep most highs in the 80s the next several days. Then going into Wednesday and Tuesday, we start to see rain chances decrease as dry air begins to filter in. That system in the Gulf moves farther to the west of us. It's a little bit harder for moisture to reach us, and so rain chances begin to go down. And in fact, I got Thursday, Friday, and Saturday looking into next weekend with rain chances out of here and dry air coming into the forecast. Notice how the minimum temperatures drop, especially heading into Friday and Saturday morning. That's that little front that I keep talking about in the Wednesday, Thursday time frame. It's not a big one, but we'll at least take it dropping us back down to seasonable levels, and that's a win. with this humidity that we're going to have over the next several days. Okay, that's it for me. Thanks for being with me. Nick Mikulas will stream tomorrow, and I'll be in the Forecast Center. Have a blessed Sunday, and we definitely appreciate you taking care of us here